Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm at my first job. About to do the CRB. It's a polyester carpet, a couple years old, so you can see a little trail here. This is the first time I've had the CRB on this carpet, and so see how it goes. Should come out pretty well. But just wanted to make a mention as to how well you can trust my company. The people here, my clients, they just took off, said, hey, lock up when you're. So that's how well people trust me, and I appreciate that very much. I have a lot of clients that just, hey, the house is open, go do it, lock up when you're done. So if you're looking for a trustworthy company, QMS is the one you want to call. And yeah, we service all of Bakersfield, even Shafter, and some smaller outlining areas. So there is extra charges to go farther, but if you're interested, just give me a call. But so right now we're gonna do a little bit of CRBing on this carpet here to help fluff up the area. This is our main walk path right through here. So hopefully it should pull the nap up pretty good. You can see, came out very well, but I'll show you. Polyester. Still see a little bit of a trail, not bad. And it fades off, but that area right through here is just wear. So nothing can be done about that, like I said. But with using the CRB pre-agitating cleaning, it'll make it look as best as it can be look for the polyester. So I'm doing everything I can to make my clients who have this carpet get the best result I can give to them, so that they have the cleanest looking carpet that they can get. So all right, I'm off to the next one, and I'll see you in that one. Thanks.